Really some bitches sit down when they piss. They get some fame like me if I miss. But it's a shame on me if I did. I know you obsessed with me and I get it. Stay in your lane and stay out my business. Over there. Y'all running off with all these rumors and shit, quick and shit, making assumptions. Next thing you know, you judging a nigga. Damn. What about the truth? There's two sides to this shit. I've been that nigga. I've been lit. I've been this shit. Before I ever went public with a bitch. Y'all just catching on late. Speaking on my personal life, my real life, talking about how it's fake niggas. You ain't me, you ain't in my shoes. You ain't pay dues. They ain't no gangster, never did nothing gangster, that what they said. I done seen so many niggas end up dead cause they got misled. Ain't got no time for no baby mouth fat niggas trying to get spoon fed. All that he say, she say, cold red, none to a brain dead. Without y'all, I don't be shit. Hope the haters hear me loud and clear. I'm too much scared, man, a dead man. You can't live your life for free, so I'm taking risks. You can't get a fair ball last time I checked, I don't charge this. Let the communication on my feet.